Alright, so basically what I did is I put a shortener link. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so right here on this video, it's a shortener link, but on this video that you're watching right now, it's going to be a shortener link right here. It's going to say bit.ly down below, and I'll put like an arrow pointing towards it so you can see how to go to it. So what you want to do, you just want to click on that, just tap it. And right there, and make sure you have Google Chrome already installed, because that's what it will send you to. But if it doesn't, all you have to do is click on that link, and once it sends you to the new browser, just copy that link up on top, and then you just paste it in Google Chrome. And once you get to Google Chrome, it'll send you to this page right here, and just type in all your information, because I know most people, when they try to do it, they couldn't find these certain words to click on in order to get to this page. So I put it down the link below, and it's going to say bit.ly. Remember, it's going to say bit.ly. And once you do that, you just type in your first name, your PSN ID, and your PSN online ID. Then you want to make sure you click I'm not a robot, of course, but sometimes it may tell you to pick some pictures in order to complete that step. And all you have to do is click request chat after you fill in all your information and click I'm not a robot. And then next, I'm going to play a clip from last YouTube video that I had for this tutorial, so you can actually see how to complete the process of the steps once you click request chat. Wait time is up to 10 minutes, so you have to just wait. It shouldn't take 10 minutes. See, it disconnected just now. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to... It says, hello, my name is Lucas. How may I assist you today? Now you want to tell them your problem. So let's say, for instance, okay, I need help getting my PSN account back. So you just want to message them that. And just wait. You'll see them typing. They'll respond to you. So just wait. Sometimes it takes a few. They might take a minute or two, but just wait. Alright, now you see it says that agent is typing. Alright, now it says, I will be happy to help you with your account. What trouble have you had accessing it so far? And just tell them that someone hacked your account or somebody reset your password and you're not able to change it back. So I'm going to say, someone hacked my account. And I'm going to go ahead and help you out. So what you want to do is say, someone hacked my account, and tell them, do you need my ID from the bottom of my PS4? So it's basically an ID that you have to get from the bottom of your PS4, but I'm going to show you the ID that you need. I'm not going to show you my actual number, of course, but I'm going to show you where the ID is located on your PS4. Alright, so someone has hacked my account. Do you need my PS4 ID? My PS4 primary ID. Alright, so type in PS4 primary ID. It says the agent is typing. It says, I'm sorry to hear that someone has your login information. Is the information you provided before the chat in the pre-chat form correct for the account you need help with? So at this part, I'm going to stop right now, but I'm going to show you now where the ID is located once they ask you. Because once you make sure, but before you go to this chat, make sure that you have all your login information correct. But now I'm going to show you the ID that I'm talking about on the bottom of the PS4 right now. That's it right here. Let me zoom in for you a little bit. So right here, it's to have your model right there. You see the model. It says CUH, all right? And then you want to, right here, you'll see like a barcode. Like once you see like your grocery items, you'll see like a barcode right there. And under that should be your code that you're going to tell them. It should be, let me see how many digits it is. Alright, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so I hope this video will help you guys out. Go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And turn on that notification bell to get notified for every video. Guys, remember to never ever give your PSN account to anyone, because you do not want it to be stolen again. Alright, so we'll be back to show you how.